Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this is actually some storage I bought on AliExpress. It's, what's it called? I got it during the 11/11 sale. It took about 6 weeks to get to me from my order. But yeah, it's one of these things. So yeah, I already have 2 of these and I've ordered a 3rd one, primarily because I'm starting to do bigger and bigger paintings that have more than just, you know, the like 30 or something colors. And what's it called? I do like having all my diamonds together. So if I end up using my favorite container, which is my Harbor Freight containers, I end up having to use 2, and for some reason I just don't like using 2. So yeah, there it is. I'm hoping it survived. The box is a little squished, and this did take longer to get to me than the last time I ordered. So yep, it comes with some labels. And so I ordered this from AZQSD. I will link it below, and I paid in total $19.49. So, well, I hope they sent me the right one. I got the one that has all the small containers, but the picture on the outside looks like it's, yeah, we'll see. Did they send me the right one? But yeah, I got the one with all the little containers because I got 2 of the ones with the 50 containers, and this should be the, what they call that? The 78 container one. Okay, so it comes in the box with some bubble wrap. The lid, okay, the lid looks good. The lid comes in its own wrap. So yeah, here it is. The one with 78 containers. So I do have the one with 50 containers, which I'm currently using. And the reason I got, this one is because a lot of diamond paintings like this one has way more than just the 50. So you end up having to like add more. So I thought this would be good so then I could have 3 different diamond paintings kitted up on my 3 containers, because like I said, you do end up having to add more. And I actually end up using this one the most, just because 1, that's the one that I have the most of, and 2, this could hold about 800 to 1,000 drills. And most of the time when a diamond painting, especially when it has a lot of colors, most of the colors are not that many, since there are a lot of colors. It's the diamond paintings that are big that have fewer colors that you need the bigger sizes. So yeah, I'm hoping to use this in conjunction with my other 2 cases, because the other 2 cases I got were the 50. Yeah, nothing looks like it's broken. It made it here. The ones I got were the 50 container ones, and like I said, I'm getting more and more diamond paintings that have more than 50 colors, and so I'm getting this so that I could kit up something that has that many drills. But I'm not afraid to mix and match, so I will mix this with some of my 50 so that I have. Did I not put this in there? So the lid wasn't flat. Yeah. Okay, maybe it isn't flat, but it'll flatten. I pile some things on there. Yeah, see? But what's it called? As long as the lid stays on, and I think eventually it'll flatten when I put stuff on top. But yeah, no, I pretty much just got this to supplement more of what I'm doing now that I'm going bigger. Well, there you go. That's So, oh, in case you've never seen one of these do have this flippy thing, and yeah, it's just pretty much a container. If you watch my storage video, which I'll link, you can see more of the examples, and this is the one with all the little ones, and I did show you my other one that had the bigger sizes. So yeah, there it is. Thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!